Hello and welcome all of you to a very beautiful exponential equation. In this problem we have to find the value of k which satisfies this equation. K to the power k square is equal to 16. All of you watch this video till the end. Don't miss out any step, and if you like the solution, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. First of all, we are going to take square of this equation on both sides. Here we will use power of a power rule, that is a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m times n, means powers will be multiplied, and this is also equal to a raised to power n raised to power m. For this left hand side we are going to use this rule. We can write this as k square whole to the power k square is equal to 16 is as same as 4 square and whole square. K square to the power k square is equal to, using power of a power rule, we can multiply these two powers. So 4 to the power 2 times 2 is 4. Here we will use another power rule. We know that if a raised to power a is equal to b raised to power b, then a is equal to b. Using this rule, we can say that k square is equal to 4. If we take square root of this equation on both sides, so k will be equal to plus or minus 2. These are the two possible solutions of k which is required in this question. But in the next step, we are going to check and verify whether these values of k are correct or not. So by putting k is equal to 2 in that equation, k to the power k square is equal to 16. K is 2, so 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 is equal to 16. When there are nested power, we are used to solve it from top to bottom. So 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 4 means multiplying 2 4 times, which will give us 16. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this value of k, which is equal to 2, is correct. Now let's move on to the other solution. K is equal to negative 2. We will put in that equation negative 2 to the power negative 2 square is equal to 16. We will solve this negative 2 square first. This is negative 2 whole square, which is equal to positive 4. So negative 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Multiplying negative 2 4 times by itself, this is equal to 16 is equal to 16. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this value of k, which is equal to negative 2, is also correct. I hope all the steps are clear. All the tips and tricks are clear. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep practicing. Bye.